All right. Good morning, everybody. Hope you're all gonna have a beautiful Tuesday today. A beautiful Tuesday. Oh, you got our coffee, and we got our chart here. Let's see. Let's do some technical analysis, right? Let's do a little TA here. Okay, yesterday she was looking pretty good. I definitely thought she still had room to go. But we needed to close above 102. We needed to start closing candles above 102, and we never did. It's okay. That's okay. Let's go to this 5-day here. I'm still liking that 5-day. Still liking the 5-day. Looks like we're going to pinch a little green dot here soon. Weekly could get rejected off VWAP. It's not over yet. Not over the zero line yet. The money flow is coming up. Not really, huh? No. Back on the downtrend. Let's see. What was it? The 2-day. That thick money flow. She still looks good on the 2-day. Still looking pretty decent on the 2-day. 3-day just ripping straight up as well. Got new anchor waves. We got some new anchor waves. So what the daily looks like. She could look better. I'm not gonna lie, she could look better. Might catch that little curve in money flow. Have it start coming back up. That's possible. Let's see, I need to pull something up. Everything's still up. Markets haven't opened, but the pre-market's green. I need to go get my glasses. 10 minutes before markets open. There, what? Thank you to everyone who likes and subscribes to the channel. We're up to the magical number of 69 subscribers. I appreciate everybody. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for liking the videos. Thanks for subscribing. Alright, let's go down to the right here. Losing your VWAP. And yesterday we was losing it. Doesn't look like we ever got it back. We wanted to right here, huh? We never got her back. It's not good. Not a good sign. Money flow coming out. Looks like we can put in some bull dibs though. Looks like we're getting ready to. You're coming down to your 200 moving average on your DBSIs. That could act as support. I'm really thinking it should probably come back around these 0.5 areas here. 0.5 area that starts your support. 0.5 area that starts your resistance. We could see it come back to these levels. Yeah. Looks like we're getting some bull divs here. I'd like VWAP. I gotta be above VWAP or at least close to breaking over VWAP with the marketcipher VWAP curving up and money flow going in. That's what we're doing. We're looking for the entry here on the 10 or 15 with the hour backing us. Hour looks like it's putting in a nice little deep little wave here now. No, nothing confirmed yet. Obviously, in this VWAP could just reject. Money flows coming out. Could just pocket crash. We had some good curvature on that 2 hour, but man, she just didn't play out. Didn't play out. Yesterday she was looking good and like she was gonna curve up real nicely, and then boom, she comes down. Man, she's looking good. VWAP just shooting straight down on the 3. And I have to see this VWAP start to curve back to the upside at some key levels of support to continue higher. Room to run on your momentum. Got your new trigger waves here. Oh. So we ain't been this high since way back here. Or what, November, on the first run up. Okay. 6 hour money flow looks good. Might be able to pinch a green dot here around the 0 line. Have to wait and see. I still like the 2-day money flow. Still digging the 1 day actually. Still digging how high this VWAP is on the 1 day. Money flow is still pretty thick. Nothing like the 2 day though. See the 3 day. Looking good. She is looking good. Confirmed that green dot a day or 2 ago. The 4th. What's today? The 7th. 3 days ago. Let's see if when the market's open, what are they gonna open as? Because I'm on fucking crypto, that's why I couldn't see this the other day. And usually if the dollar rips, Bitcoin dumps. Dollar's dumping, Bitcoin's pumping. Everything's just in the red. It's a red day so far. We still got 3 minutes for a market. Nasdaq barely green. Open and they open green, it looks like. Now, open green. S&P is up. Nasdaq is up. Okay. Yeah, even the 100 open green. Treasuries open green. Like the market open green. Says she's gonna react. Everything's in the green. That's what Bitcoin's gonna do. Where are my glasses? Oh, probably in the bedroom. I don't want to go wake the family up. We're just gonna have to burn our eyes up for a minute. Burn the eyes up. Okay. We are starting to get some bear divs. Looks like we're starting to get some momentum to the upside on our DBSIs. Market's open green. You got a nice deep wave here. Deep wave here, so showing good signs of a bottom on the 10. Okay. Money flows looking like she's going to curve to the upside. We'll wait and see if we can get back close to VWAP, above VWAP, with money flow coming in on this 10, with the 1 hour backing, possibly with maybe the 2 hour. Look at the curve starting to come. I mean, money flow could just bounce off the zero line and keep coming up today. Getting that curve on the VWAP. We wanted to see it yesterday. She got rejected. Okay, we wanted it to see it yesterday. If I would have saw this yesterday, actually coming up to the zero line on that curve, and at the same time the 1 hour wanted to. Man, she wanted to get over, but she didn't. She just boom, came right down. If she would have came over, I would have longed. I would have longed right here at 102 something. 102 something, I would have went long if everything played out, but she didn't. That's why we wait for our confirmations. But that's what we are looking for today. We want price to come back above or come close to our intraday VWAP, where we can just be like, oh yeah, she's about to come over. But it's best if she has come over the VWAP and splashed back down. Okay, it's gonna be best. That's the strongest for sure move. Using this VWAP strategy here is when she comes above it, splashes down, she'll take off. Money flow coming in, right? I'm sure there's some examples. Let's see if we can't find a few examples of the splash. Technically right here, but I need money flow coming in, because that's where it's at. Where it's at. That really wasn't the splash you want to see. You kind of want to see it, touch it, right? You want to see it come down and touch your VWAP. Previous day VWAP, this could have been it. You're on your 200 SMA, nice little green dot. Money flow's coming right back up. That could have been it for sure. But that's not what. Yeah, see, here she is. Here's a good example. Good example of the splash and the money flow coming in. So you got your money flow coming in, you get your splash, get your little uptick right there on your VWAP, right there at the zero line. Nice little scalper there. If you catch the top, almost a 1% move, but either way, that's still a good move, decent move. And same as when you're losing VWAP, right? And money flow's coming out. You get your deep waves up here. You lose money flow. I like to lose money flow if I'm taking the short. I like money flow coming out while we're under VWAP. That's the best. That's the best for this strategy. It's a green day. Market's open very green. Is Bitcoin gonna go? Oh man, she's dumping. She's dumping. Holy cow. Gotta have the money flow coming up. I mean, that money flow comes out and this VWAP's coming down too. I would be interested in a short. Yeah, especially if we're at some sort of levels. Okay. Especially if we're at some key levels. Of resistance. We start losing this with the money flow and the VWAP coming down. I'm thinking we have a strong chance of bouncing here, though. From bouncing from these levels, I feel like we have a strong chance to bounce. Continue our bullish structure here on the 1 hour. Oh yeah, very bullish. See, make a higher low. Make a higher low to make our higher high. because I'm still pretty bullish on the 2-day. Good money flow. VWAP. She can come up here and ebb and flow, right? Ebb and flow above that 0 line. And I just really like this 5-day. I'm really digging the 5-day, especially if the money flow can keep coming up. I would have liked to pinch that green dot somewhere around here, so hopefully we can see it start to form soon. You know, she's pinching off pretty good now, but we'd like to see a green dot around these areas. We can get that green dot to print and confirm. I feel like that'll take us. You already got it on the 3-day. Let's go ahead and add the 4-day, right? Where would I go to do that? Add it up. There she is. Oh, 4-day starting to print. I mean, look at that. Look at that beautiful VWAP curve. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not looking to short. I'm looking to long. Hopefully around some key levels of support. We're coming down to these support levels. If we can get marketcipher to start having some money flow come in, we're getting our divs. We're getting our divs. That's a key part of the strategy too. You don't always need them. You don't always need the divs, but man, does it work out just so much better with bull divs, right? You get your bull divs, you come back above VWAP, you got money flow coming in. Your marketcipher B VWAP is coming up. Look, your RSIs are getting tight, coming together, shooting up. I just want to get above the intraday VWAP. We can do that. I can take a long. I'm actually going to look at some other coins today on my MEXC account and see if I can't start posting up some wins. Posting up a couple wins. Okay. And we're going to get that done. We're going to get it done. This is our year. We decided to become a trader 3 years ago, and this is our year. Take all our knowledge and apply it and change our fucking lives. Discipline. It's the word of the year. Word of the year, ladies and gentlemen. Discipline. Y'all probably been doing a lot better. Okay? Because if you've been watching my channel the last few days, you know I've realized about the fees. And how I'm down negative 55, but that's literally all freaking fees. We come to my journal without the commissions taken out, I'm really up 50. I mean, I had some pretty bad ones, but we maximized our losses. we minimized our losses and maximized our gains. That's why we was able to make it all back in one trade, half of it anyway. Half of it. I should really be up 50. I forgot about freaking commissions. They ate me alive. But that's okay. That is okay. We're coming to the bottom of our Bollinger Band here on the breakout chart. Okay. We're still learning. But man, we've come so far in 3 years. I've come so far in 3 years. Well, that's the plan. Markets did open green. We're waiting for Bitcoin to kind of find its bottom. Looks like she's putting in some good bull divs. Maybe catch one. Let's see, where was the last divs at? It's just been an uptrend for so long. Right here. Catch that little green dot. Come back above. Money flow's coming in. Any kind of green dot right there. Yeah, I mean, even right here, you got your divs, your sharp uptick. You can see money flow wants to come in. She wants to. But I mean, you could just take the div trade, right? The basic divergence trade. And she's a little scalper. Okay, that's a little scalper. I mean, technically, fuck that. You could have just held it. You could have held it. I mean, it's hard to watch it go back into the negative though. Well, once you get your profit, it's hard to watch your profit go away. Trust me, I know. Then you get your money flow, right? You got your divs, you got your money flow, you're coming above VWAP. She never looked back. Never looked back. And on these 10, 15s, you're going to have to hold it a couple candles now. You're going to have to hold it. Have to hold it a little bit, okay? But that's what we want to see over here. We want to see these divs start to form, right? We want to see the divs start to go. With money flow. Curving back up. We need it to be curving back up. RSIs are looking good. You need them to stay looking good. And you need that VWAP crossing over as well. Or at least with a sharp uptick to the upside. Okay? And then we'll take a look at our DBSIs and see what they're saying. See what they're saying. If the numbers are getting higher on the bottom while we're getting everything we're looking for, she's gonna be it. But we're gonna wait, because she very well could keep coming down a little bit. Money flow's pretty red. Money flow's pretty red. You're getting your red dot on the 15 here. Could be putting in some bull divs on the 15 as well. We're looking at the 10 though. Taking it off the 10. Hopefully around some key levels of support with bull divs. Money flow coming up. And our VWAP looking bullish as well. And then we'll try to get a little long here. Alright. Thank you everybody for tuning in. I hope you all have a great Tuesday. We'll be back today at 5:45 p.m. Central Time to trade the intraday reset here. Okay. I love this intraday VWAP. It has really given me what I needed to become profitable. And I appreciate it. Appreciate everybody. That'll do it for me. I hope you all have a wonderful Tuesday. I'm out.